Hi YouTube, today we're doing some on the KLX. Now this is my third attempt at trying to record this video. It's fucking annoying now. What we got is new rear light, two new indicators. Re-glued this lens on because I'd knocked it off. We're now currently, I found out in the droves, they riding my old number plate that is fucked completely. The old part of the rear tail tidy number plate fucked. The reason why I picked it up is for this metal bracket. Now I've straightened it out as best I can. Now about to drill the holes to mount it when the video conked out on me. So basically the two videos I've done, this video would have been a 15-20 minute video. It's now shortened down to however long this turns out. Marking the holes, all I'm going to do is, that looks round about straightish on there, just some paint, just to try see if it'll work. Going to put it down from that, just see if this will actually take. No, that just didn't work at all. So all I've done is splodged. But actually, I'm thinking about painting this now. I know you can't really see it, but I might just prime it. I know it's cold. It's a bit white outside, but I'm just going to prime it and give it a coat of grey primer. Just have it done in anti-rust grey primer just to smarten it up a little bit. It's not ideal spraying conditions, but hey ho. So all we're going to do is up the floor, just give it a light dusting and smarten it up. Leave that to dry. Get a rag because I do not want that drying on the plastic. So give that a clean off. Like so, and we know roughly where we want the holes. So I got my drill bit. No, I don't know, is roughly where I want the holes. The idea of that was so we could know where the holes were, but it only works for certain things, so that can go up on the shelf somewhere. Fuck it, there for now. Ain't very warm. That's one bolt for the number plate. There's the other bolt for the number plate bracket. I'm trying to get this as straight as possible. My rear cowl should have 2 extra bolts in it, but it doesn't. It just has 2 at the back here, which work okay, I suppose. Now, what I had to do was these little round spacer bits used to sit on the top here. Can't do that anymore. I have to sit them underneath to get it to work okay-ish. But what we're going to do is we're drying that out. We can't put drill bit through. Can we? Yes we can. I've got an idea. I have a little idea. I need a tiny drill bit. I think even that's too big to do what I want to do. Nope. So that drill bit will work right. Plan is when that's dry, we'll paint it up. I'll give it a bit of paint after, but oh well. Oh, wait, is it still? Oh, it's quite tacky. So we're gonna have to leave that for a minute. Another job I have got to do is work out why my front indicator doesn't flash. See, rear one goes, no front one. So all we got to do for that is go in tools, grab my 8mm, turn the ignition off, undo the 2 side bolts whilst me grey primer's drying. These tools are fucking horrendously cold. I tell you, it's like ridiculous. For England, this weather is bad, really. We haven't seen snow here for like a year, well over a year. Like proper snow like this. I mean, this ain't even proper snow to proper places. Oh, look, it's coming down even more. It started again. Look, it's been like this a couple of days now, and as you can tell, it's white. For England, super rare to get this much snow. Usually we get a little bit, it settles on the grass verges, done, and then it's cleared by morning. No, woke up this morning, it's like, no, I ain't getting on my 2 wheels and running there, forth there, sort of thing. So that's what we done. Right, now we've got to work out this abundance of wiring mess. I did want to go to Halfords today and try and get a new bulb, but fuck that. Let's not walk it. I'm going to have to put you down a sec. All I'm trying to do at the minute is just find the headlight plug so I can disconnect them. Because it makes life a little bit easier to deal with problems. I need my little screwdriver. Little screwdriver. Oh, I'm tempted. These plugs piss me off. Where's my knife? I've had enough of these plugs. These little... Not taking them off completely. Just putting a little incision in. Just to make life easier to get these plugs out. There we go, little incision. Because they're actually taped onto the loom. Just one little fuck. Just one careful little incision. Little tear, hopefully. Right. There we go. So we can find the plug and actually pop it out properly. There we go, headlight cowl off. Sweet. Right. All I've done is, because these plugs piss me off, is just cut slightly. I seem to have found the problem. Quite simple. My wiring trick, using the old indicator wires, look, simple thing like that has come out and caused the indicator to stop working. Obviously vibration or something. It's quite a tight fit though. God, tell you what, it ain't coming out of there in a hurry. Now let's check if it works. Simple, we have 2 side indicators now working. Front and back both sides. Another thing we have got to do, there's my brake light, it's fucking quite bright really. Catch me signals, that's on the front brake, but we got to adjust my rear stop light switch at some point. So that's that job done. I'm going to bolt up the rear front cowl, and hopefully my paint on me thing should be nice and dry now. Ready to put back on the bike. So we can mark up and, right, where's my side light? That's my side light. Right, where's the plug for it? That way. Side light is in. Headlight is in, nice and easy. Right. Pop it back onto the mounts. Make sure it is. Make sure you put the bolts in the right sides. What they come out of. Trick with any bolt as well, I have found the easiest way to do them is to get them both caught, or however, if you're doing engine cases or whatever you're doing, if there's more than one bolt, get all of the bolts caught before you actually start tightening, especially on exhausts. I have found with exhaust, if you get the head bolts, one head bolt in, and don't do the other head bolt, you'll have a hard job re-lining it and getting the second head bolt in. And before you tighten up, this is my advice, the head bolts fully. I'd get if it's an all, like, if you can't take it apart, like, I think I said this in one of my other videos. And if it's not like a separational exhaust where it's got like a split there and a split up here like motocrossers do, and it's a full in one system, like, I know that's not like Lex Moto cruisers, choppers sometimes are full. Systems can't be separated. It's best to get the rear headlight works rear section on as well before you tighten everything down. Holy cow, there's some big ass snowflakes. Right, check. It's tacky. Give it a minute to dry a bit more. I haven't had any comments, but I'm going to mention it anyway. As you can tell, I used to ride BMX ages ago. Can't now, I'm shit. What we are going to be doing the Sinus at some point. Don't know when we get round to it. Both of these bikes will be going for sale soon. As soon as I get my other bike, and I will be getting a Yamaha SR125 and building it into a CAF racer style bike. Hopefully, it's still been run. Hopefully, I've got some old wires on the floor and different other things. I need to have a clear up in it. There's loads of them from my wiring yesterday. I've got like loads of little bullet bits, cable ties, tape, all sorts. But yeah, it's horrible, it's cold. Even my bin's full of snow, look. Oh no. Oh man, I've got to get that emptied at some point. I used to work on the bin, so it's quite easy to get that thing emptied. But not now, I don't. Fucking hell. Only went out there for 5 minutes or 5 seconds and I'm caked in snow. It's quite bad. Yeah, I've got all these little bits here. Got just loads of general shit that's got to go. And spares. I'll have a clear up in here at some point. So what we've got to do, here's we got Gorilla Glue, which has got to go back in the house. We've got several things to do. Just got to wait for the paint to dry, so when that's dry I'll resume the video. Yeah, so I'll resume the video, I'll pause it until the paint's dry and go from there, and we'll get drilling the holes for the number plate. I know roughly where I want it, but I want to make sure first. Get drilling the holes, and then we'll mount the number plate and get it nice central, and we might even do an L plate. That one ain't going to last long, and we'll... Oh shit, I shouldn't have been that. Just had a 4. Did I take them out? Did I leave them in? Oh, fuck, Slippy. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? No. I've just been on this old fucking snow. Number plate, some nice metal bolts that I'll use to mount the new L plate with. So yeah, when that's dry, I'll resume the video and you won't even know that it's happened. Right, the paint is now dry. I have semi-mounted it, only to there though, just to make life easier. Got my first mark. Now drilling the second hole. There we go, lovely. Right, just to save a bit of time on the video and whatever. So now, quite simply, sorry you're looking at shit again. I do apologise for this, guys. I will get it sorted as soon as I have the money. Right now, it's like everything in this world. It costs fucking money. It is one of those life things. I don't have all the money in the world to go spend on cameras and all that lot at the minute. and I won't even have all that money to spend on them, really, but because it's something I just really want to do, I will, because I don't see myself being a big entertainment. I just see myself doing it for a bit of fun and maybe to help people don't actually know what they're doing with certain things, and maybe they can get some help from me for taking their bikes to garages or something. I don't claim to be a rocket scientist with bikes, but I know enough. They're solidly mounted now, and that is looking alright. Next thing, what I might actually just do, because this L plate's junk, so what I might do is just sit you down there for a minute and just take 5 minutes of my time, undo this rotten cracked up L plate from this one, and my hands are that cold I can't fucking do it that well. Did have a nice green handle posi somewhere, I don't know where it's gone. You know what, I wonder if I can do it. I wonder if this will... No, it only allow me to cut that bit of bolt, really. Oh. So I need to find a better posi. There's one more green handle one gone. There it is. You know, I had a nice... Sorry, I'm making you guys look at the bench, but it's the only thing I can do at this point in time until I get, like I keep saying, a decent camera and some money. It's like nothing boils down to has that got enough play on it? Nope. You know what we can do? We can snap this old one off to give us a bit more shit room. But yeah, oh, one's coming off nice and easy. What I'm going to do is get enough on them so you get these snips underneath and just cut them off. Don't be using them again. Not at all, Johnny boy. Just want to get more. Can I get the snips under there? Sorry, I keep apologising. I know it's not ideal for viewers to be looking at the bench in half of my videos, but what can I do? I ain't got somebody who can video it, and I haven't got a camera stand for a phone, so I don't know, I haven't got any solutions whatsoever. All I can do is put you down on the bench for 5 minutes or so, struggle like hell to do things and try and talk. There we go, that's off. Right, so we have number plate 3. Right, next bit I'm going to do that for, and I'm going to find my bolts. I did have 13mm, that goes, what's that for? That's for them. Right, and just trying to sort out that and that are for the number plate. Right, here we go. Do these push through the number plate? No. Right, so I need... we'll use this shiny bolt here. This shiny bolt there, that makes 2 of them shiny bolts. They're the same. No, they would be different, ones longer than the other. Bollocks. That tells me that that one was not a number plate bolt. Is that the same length as that one? Same head, slightly different thread. Same head, different thread. Those two are the same-ish, that'll do. But will that drop? No, that'll be in there. That one in there, if it will go. If it won't, we'll make it go. There we go. I need 2 little washers on the back. And I need 2 nuts for it. There's one. I need another one. That's that. That's that. Haven't got any other nuts. Once I've already done this number plate and shown it off a bit, I'll put it in the video and a bit of that. Upload it today, which is Wednesday. No, I ain't got any nuts in there. I'll put 10 mil amount of nuts again. Fuck. But that would look quite smart in there. Oh no. The number plate holes are too close together, so I have got to drill a new number plate hole. So that'll centralise it a bit more. Right, let's get 1 cordon on. So 2 10s, I think one's an 8 actually. Yeah, one's an 8, one's a 10. So I need a 10 spanner, not a ratchet spanner. Fuck. Right, there we go. Right, that's one tighten up anyway. This number plate should straighten this, I think, out a bit more. Right, let's jiggle it over a little bit. That looks about as central as it's going to get. Let's wind that down. And then what we're going to do is we've got it mounted on one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try. I know I'm going to damage nice grey, but it's what I'm trying to do is. Oh, I'm just bending it up too much more. Fuck. Bend it straight, but I want to try and bend it on the creasy bit to make it. There we go. Right. So then all I'm going to do is get my drill bit and buzz a hole, sort of. There. We're drilling a hole today. Come on. There we go, it's gone through. Right. We couldn't find a nut, which was a bit worrying and concerning. I have loads of nuts usually. Usually I have yours. But today I don't have any for some. I haven't used them. But I did have loads about, kicking about elsewhere. Right, there's one on the floor there, going up a bit. Right, so we'll put that in its little hole. One's a 10 again and one's an 8. Hope it fits. Yes, it does. Right. We'll do this up to as tight as we can get it by hand. Stick the ratchet socket on it. That is done on there solid. Looks alright. Looks as about as central as you can get it. Looks centraler than what it did. Turn the ignition on. You can still see the brake light. When the that didn't sound good. Alright, when the rear cow's on, let's just do. Yep, you can see the number plate clear as day and the rear light from this angle. So that'll be it for this video. like I keep saying, I ain't going to show me trying to bolt the rear cowl on one hand. There's little things it's doddle to do. But like I say, as you can tell, I broke one corner of this L plate off, and it was that corner there. That was on there like that. Snapped it off. I Gorilla glued a lens, which works. I'll do an L plate off camera, and it's pretty solid, and it's hides up that one hole underneath. Only thing is, I will order another number plate and redo it a bit better. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry, like I say, I'll get the money eventually, get a computer so I can edit and upload a bit easier. And I'll get some proper cameras and stands. But if you want to see more of sort of me dicking about in my shed, garage / half built thing, then you can just subscribe, like and comment, see what you want me to do. Like I say, I got to fix the Sinus up, and I'm getting rid of them both when they're all working and sorted. And getting an SR, well, I'll get an SR before I get rid of them. But yeah, thanks for watching, as I keep saying. That's it. Bye. Thank you.